Hey you, welcome back to my channel, and I know you miss me. Say what? You didn't? Girl, I know you missed me. So as the title said, we're gonna unbox some here from Amazon. I think it was really affordable for the lengths and the amount of bundles that I bought, and I just wanted you to see what the hair is like, my first impression of the hair. I personally didn't open the package, but I did open the envelope as per usual. You know me and my exciting self. Now if you are enjoying the video so far, go ahead and subscribe if you don't want to miss out anything, plus update on this here whenever I do it. So let's get into the video, guys. Yes. Now the hair is from Put In Here, and I'll probably leave like a little screenshot or something on how it looks on Amazon. But yeah, this is how I got it. I got it in a package. Now I don't want to turn this around because my address is on there, but yeah, it comes in this. Then when you go inside, so it comes in this little package, and it says Put In Here on process. Here, color, natural, and I got a 16, 20, 18, 22, and a 16 closure. Right? Yes. So I was like, oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot of bundles for the prices. I paid $146. I think that is really affordable comparing to other prices on other hair sites. So this is the hair. Comes in this cute little baggie. I think it's so adorable, right? And the first thing that I noticed is that when I open the bag, there's a very strong smell. I don't know if it's chemical or whatever it is, but there is a really strong smell, and I don't like that. It's a bit of a turn off. All right, so I know these make a lot of noise, so I'm just gonna take them out, or I'm gonna speed up this process so you don't hear the, you know, a lot of noise. But let's take out the stuff because I don't want no element of surprise. Then what else? Let's see. Oh, and the bag is empty. And I feel like with that bag, if you install it here and you take it out, you can always put back the hair. Okay, you know, some persons like to reuse their hair, and I'm saying if you make a wig or you remove the hair, if you did a sewing or whatever, you can always take that hair out and put it back in the bag, because that's like a perfect holding bag for your weave. Now, yeah, they have this. Oh, so this is the closure, and it's a 16 closure. Oh, we got a little pamphlet. Put In Here, 100% human virgin. And when you open it, it says hair care tips, customer support, about washing, about moisturizing, about shedding, about dyeing, about combing. So they have all of that detail for you, and they have some little illustration right here, I guess, on how you should wash your bundles and all of that. And then behind here, they're telling you they're 100% best quality, and they have their social media handles on there. And also they took the privilege to give me a little eyelash, because it's like they knew I love lashes. They knew. So now that's out the way, we're going to go into all this. Now I'm going to open the closure first. So this is how it looks. Nice. The closure looks really full. Like, the only thing I don't like about Amazon here is that, you see this? There's a lot of flight. You see that? I don't know, look. Yes, you see that? That's what I don't like about. They have, I don't know why those are on there. Like, I don't like that. Can I just get long here without none of those thingy? See what I'm saying? But overall, it feels thick. It do have a smell, but you know that strong smell that I said I smell when I just opened the package? I don't smell it that strong. It's not that potent. Potent? Is that a word? I ain't no dictionary. But this is the 22, so we're opening the 22 now. Ooh, look at them bad boys. Oh, this one. Like I spoke too quick. This one have smell. Listen to me. They all have smell. Okay, so you would have to make sure you wash your stuff. Plus, who doesn't wash your bundles before they put it in? But this is how it looks. Does have a little wave to it, even though they say it's straight here, but it does have a little curve. I like how it feels. I'm not getting any shedding. We're going to go in the 20. Alright. So yeah, this is another one. This is 20. Oh yeah, I got a strand. Yep, I got a hair. I got a hair. Now, as I say, the hair does feel soft. This is how the 22 look. I don't know much about bundles and hair. It feels a little pretty heavy. I like it. I like how it feels. The only thing now that I'm observing is that I don't like those red stuff in them. See that? Those red hair, gray hair. I don't like that. But most hair, they do tend to have that sometimes, I realize. Or maybe I'm just buying too much cheap hair. Girl. We're going in on the 16. And yep, this is how this one look. I think the hair are pretty full. I feel like when I put these on, I'm gonna have really full hair. Look at the weft. See that? No shedding in this one. So here we go, the last bundle, and this is the 18. Okay, this is how it looks. When I do videos like this, I like it to be detailed. I like you to see the product. I want you to see it so you can, you know, put your own little thing on there. Too many flyaways. I don't like those little things. But so far the hair feels really good. I'm impressed. So this is how it looks. Girl, look at this. Look how full this is. It looks so full. See that? You can tell it's going to be lit. Really lit. I like it. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. But yeah. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my first impression unboxing Amazon hair. Yes, girl. And if you like the video, thumbs it up. Share it with your friends. Let them know this deal. Let them know it. Let them know about the sauce, girl. Psh, girl, stop. So yeah. Have you ever bought hair on Amazon? Don't lie now. Do not lie. Because some of you girls out here be wearing Amazon hair looking good and fly and shit. So stop. If you want to see a recreation of this look, just let me know. Comment down below. I got you. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys. Love you. Bye.